Hello kids, let us learn to draw some new shapes, symbols and color names. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Now let's know about the color name. Brown, light green, purple, golden, sky blue, black, pink, sea green, violet, baby pink, silver or grey, fluorescent yellow, blue, yellow, green, orange, red. Now let us draw the shapes and symbols. Smiley, triangle, cross, rhombus, cube, rectangular frame. Now let us color the shapes. Pink color, sea green, sky blue, fluorescent yellow, purple, golden, smiley emoji, triangle having 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Cross looks like addition symbol. Rhombus, also called diamond, has 4 sides, 4 angle, 4 vertices. Cube, it is a 3D shape having 6 faces. This is a rectangular frame. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.